putting on the final touches. Crews have been working around the clock, assembling exhibits from every corner of the world. Next week, tens of thousands of people from China and abroad will fill Shanghai's National Exhibition and Convention Center, with its nearly 500,000 square meters in exhibition space.
All member countries of the G20, BRICS, and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization will attend the expo, and enterprises from more than 50 countries along the Belt and Road route, and from more than 30 least developed countries will also participate.
The China International Import Expo will promote developing economies alongside the world's more established ones. And it will give a platform to small and medium-sized companies, in theory enabling them to compete alongside major global firms. Think of what's going to happen here essentially as a speed dating service, a matchmaking meant to address both supply and demand. So, a Chinese company hoping to diversify its imports, avocados, can shop globally without actually going abroad. Or a foreign company looking for distribution in China can come here and quickly find that chain.
The last 40 years of reform and opening up in China have brought great benefits to China, but also great benefits to the world. And now, as President Xi Jinping said, China is about to take more steps in opening up, more concrete steps in allowing countries to come here, set up here, do business here, sell into this market, opening up its markets.
For some, that's great news. But Washington doesn't appear to share that sentiment. Just days ago, an American diplomat in Beijing said the U.S. would not send a senior delegation to Shanghai. He also urged China to end what he called its, quote, unfair trading practices. Some see this snub as another chess move in Washington's confrontation with Beijing. But despite the ongoing trade war, nearly 200 American firms are expected to participate. There is, after all, big business to be done here. China says it intends to import $10 trillion worth of goods over the next 5 years, goods that have to come from somewhere. For nearly a decade, China has been the world's leading exporter. So the fact that China now wants to transform itself into a giant importer is no small task. The expo is the first of its kind, which sends a message. China is no longer content to be the world's factory floor. One of the world's fastest growing consumer markets is getting set to consume a lot more. Rowie Ruttenberg, CGTN in Shanghai.